My name is Rena Andrews. I am originally from the very small island of Grenada in the Southern Caribbean.
My name is Mark. I'm from Brooklyn. I've lived here my whole life.
Hi, my name is Sonia Morales. I am from Elkhart, Indiana, and I am a St. Nick's Alliance cohort alumni.
Hi, my name is Chris Harvell, and I'm a senior instructor here of GA, and I have been with the SNA program since its initial cohort. So now we're on cohort number 4.
I'm Larry Rothschild. I'm the Senior Managing Director of the Workforce Development Center at St. Nick's Alliance. At our Workforce Center, we do training, education, and employment. We develop trainings in partnership with the industry and technical training partners who are experts in the field. General Assembly adds that component, the technical training and the expertise.
So far, it's been pretty life-changing, actually. For me personally, I think it's kind of like giving me a second lease at life because I'm learning technical skills that I thought I would never learn.
I worked a lot with Tableau,
Python.
We're doing SQL.
work with a lot of data.
It started off with me just wanting a job, but as I got into it more, it became a lot more interesting for me.
Yeah, well, we work with both young adults and adults, and there's an interest in the community, but more so there's a lot of opportunities for career growth and career pathways.
The internship really got me excited to do my best because I know that internships can lead to possible future opportunities for me.
I want to find a job with a tech company, obviously, because tech is a really big growing industry.
I do know one of the things that I want to do is to be able to go back to the Caribbean and to share everything that I've learned from experience and expertise, because I feel like my region needs that.
Currently, I'm working at Brooklyn Workforce One under Grant Associates, which is a big workforce company that expands throughout the United States. We help people get jobs.
We started with a smaller source of funding, we piloted it, and that's helped us demonstrate success in building the skills and putting them into play. And I think that we've been able to do that in the partnership and show that there's a real need.
My standout oh my Lord, that's a hard question because I have a lot. I have a lot of them.
Big takeaway was the space. Everyone here at GA is working hard and studying, and everyone here is here to learn. In the tech world, learning does not stop. There's always more things we can learn.
I think that this program is more than just about learning a set of data skills, right? I believe that one of the things that I try to achieve is so that my students can understand that it's fun to learn and just do new things and to challenge yourself. And you don't have to always know what it is ahead of time. You don't have to be good at it right away, but just the journey and the process of learning can be really cool.
I've made really great friends, and being able to sit with people and talk about things helps you to get a different perspective.
That doesn't happen, but here it does, and that's pretty neat.
Even if you do not have it all figured out, you have enough in you to be able to figure it out. If you go to a job and they give you 6 months, or they give you 7 months, or they give you 8 months, what you gonna do, girl?